Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's actually a application or a plugin that we could actually add into our WordPress to probably solve this issue. So first thing I want to do here is you need to go to WordPress and log into your account. So currently I am in my admin dashboard. So in this case, we want to go to our plugins section. So at the left side here, just scroll down a bit, look for plugins, and when you hover over it, click or choose the option that says add new plugin. Now from here, it's going to load up the next page wherein you'll be able to search for a plugin. So we need to enter a keyword here, which is going to be AMP, and just press on enter. Now from here, we need to search for a specific plugin here. So search for AMP for WordPress, Accelerated Mobile Pages. Now in this case, we want to go ahead and click on install now. And once you've installed it, what we need to do next is we need to activate this plugin. So wait for it to install, and from here, just click on activate to activate that specific mobile plugin. Now in this case, once you activate it, it's going to give you two options. So you have basic and advanced. Now in this case, choose the option here that says basic, and from here, you can now set up your profile. In this case, we need to change the web subtype. So go ahead and click on change, and from here, choose from the available options. Now in this case, once you've chosen that, choose the where do you need AMP, click on choose, and choose wherever you need it. Now in this case, we have the design and presentation as well. You can go ahead and click on setup, and if you want to add a logo and change the global color scheme if you want to as well. Now in this case, you can go ahead and change whatever in here, and from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.